Well, sorry, this was a two-part series again. I'm not sure why my camera broke. I did lose one piece of the ceramics that my aunt sent me, and I'm sad about that. But I am really relieved that as many that made it did make it. I'm really happy. These are going up on a shelf in just a few minutes now. So God was good. It was a hard fall. I'm pretty well healed from it. My right elbow gets bothering me if I overextend it. But besides that, great. God's good to me. And I have so much to be thankful for. I'm thankful for my family and friends. I'm thankful for my animals, the domestic ones, and my pets. I'm thankful for an opportunity to do these little videos. Sometimes it's just the little kick for me that gets me going when I'm like, oh, I just feel like laying around. And I think, no, I can make a little video on this and maybe encourage somebody. So I hope that you are encouraged today. And I am going to start going through some of my stuff. I have water heating to do my grapes because I think I need to do those a hot pack. I'm going to look at those. And then I'm just going to try to get done what I can. So I want to pray that the Lord will bless you when you are inside and when you are out, when you are awake and when you are asleep. And encourage you and encourage myself to be loving people. And whatever you do, keep dreaming.